Imagine waking up tomorrow knowing that in exactly 48 hours, your home needs to be smaller, lighter, and completely ready for a new chapter. No extra time, no gradual process, no slow, comfortable sorting over several weekends. Just 2 days, everything you own, and a decision that will define what you carry into the next phase of your life. That moment is real for millions of people. And today, we show you exactly how to handle it. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications, because whether your deadline is tomorrow or 6 months away, what you are about to learn will change how you think about everything you own. Today, we end that paralysis. 7 hacks. 48 hours. A home transformed and a mind freed. Hack number 1. The room triage system. The single biggest mistake people make when beginning a fast downsize is starting without a system. They walk into one room, pick up one item, spend 20 minutes deciding what to do with it, and feel exhausted before they have made any visible progress. The room triage system eliminates this entirely. Before you touch a single item, walk through your entire home with 3 different colored stickers, or 3 large labeled boxes per room. Green means definitely coming. Red means definitely leaving. Hack number 2. The furniture photography method. Furniture is the most time-consuming element of any fast downsize because it is large, difficult to move, and hard to sell quickly. Most people wait until they have physically moved everything to begin selling. This is the single most expensive mistake in the downsizing process. On the first morning of your 48 hours, before you have moved anything, photograph every piece of furniture you will not be keeping. Good natural light, multiple angles, honest descriptions of condition. Hack number 3. The clothing one-pass rule. Clothing causes more downsizing paralysis than almost any other category. Every item triggers a memory, a justification, a hypothetical future occasion when it might be needed. The one-pass rule removes all of that negotiation. Pick up each item once. Ask one question only. Have I worn this in the last 12 months? If the answer is no, it leaves. No second consideration. Hack number 4. The sentimental box limit. Here is where most fast downsizes break down emotionally. The sentimental items, the childhood photographs, the letters, the objects that carry the weight of people and moments and versions of yourself that no longer exist in the present tense. This is real. This matters. And trying to suppress it or rush through it carelessly causes a grief that surfaces later in ways that are genuinely damaging. The sentimental box limit acknowledges both the reality of the emotion and the reality of the deadline. You are allowed one medium-sized box of sentimental items. Just one. Hack number 5. The zone and finish method. At hour 24 of your 48, do a complete zone assessment. Every area of the home should be assigned a completion status: done, in progress, or not started. The temptation at this midpoint is to drift between areas, picking up bits of progress everywhere without completing anything fully. Resist this with discipline. Hack number 7. The final walk protocol. At the end of your 48 hours, before you consider the process complete, conduct a final walk through every room with fresh eyes. Open every cupboard. Look beneath every bed. Check the back of every shelf. The items that remain hidden in these spaces are almost always the ones you have been unconsciously avoiding. The deeper truth about downsizing. Here is what nobody tells you before you begin a fast downsize, and what everyone who has completed one discovers on the other side. Room triage, furniture photography, the one-pass clothing rule, the sentimental box limit, zone and finish, the donation deadline appointment, the final walk, 7 hacks, 2 days, 1 genuinely new beginning. You are more ready for this than you think. If this gave you the clarity and the courage to begin, hit the like button right now. It costs you nothing and means everything to this channel. Subscribe and ring the bell so you never face a challenge like this without the right guidance. Share it with someone who needs to hear that 48 hours is enough. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. See you in the next one.